5. Go.
Okay. Is it started?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what go means.
Hey, it's Tanya. You know that. Hey, I am outside of 1847 Donovan Drive in Longmont. If you are looking for a home that's priced under $300,000, this is your place. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. Main floor has 2 bedrooms with master suite, and then the main floor laundry, and then the basement has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a living area in the basement. So lots to see, and guess what, you'll be able to see it on Thursday from 3:30 to 5:30. I'm going to have an open house here. I'd love for you to bring your friends. Who do you know that's ready to buy a house? Because they need to come check this place out. All right, I will see you Thursday from 3:30 to 5:30 at 1847. Yep, 1847 Donovan Drive. All right, bye.